Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back. I have been working again on my two big square 1 meter 1 meter canvases. I've just finished working on this one, quite happy with it. I'm not sure where I got to last time, so I think I've been working off camera because, I don't know, it's just less conscious of being watched if you're working off camera. So that's a little bit probably since last time then. Added some pastels, charcoals, and brought the mountains back in an abstract way. So feel happy at this stage to put that one to one side. I'm going to swap it with the other big one, and I'm going to try and do the same with that one, make a bit more space, and well, see what happens. Okay, still haven't decided which way this one is going to go. Quite like that because it's like a stormy cloud, so maybe I'll leave it that way a little bit, see how I go. Still got paint mixed up from the other canvas, so I'll just go in and so you could see that I was adding more paints, keeping with my colour palette, putting some pastels on there, put some charcoal on there, pastels. This little bit I put some charcoal and I wanted to get that pink back and it all smudged, so I'm just going to have to go over that again somehow with, I might just go over it with, but you probably just smudge again. Anyway, always playing. So still I haven't decided which way this one's gonna go. Happy with that one for now, so maybe I will just stand back and look at it some more. I really liked how I've got space in there. Now I've lost it, I have to that looking not bad for now. Yeah, so still not sure which way this one's gonna go. I messed that one up. I just have to wait till it dries now. I really like that this little bit stayed. Orangey blob. I've got 1, 2, 3. I'm going to make that a little bit bigger so there's a difference in size of those bright orange marks. Went on my bike again and I went to the lake again this weekend, so I think the lake's coming back out again in this one. Mountain lakes, woodland walks. What do you see in it? The thing is, every time I spin it round I see something else. It doesn't have to be anything. It's an abstract painting, so I can let the viewer decide what they want to see. Just in some ways it works better than others. May go back in now. Just leave it. Just leave it to look at a little while. Usually I take some photos and look at it on my phone and spin it round, and that's a good way to look at what to do for the next step. But I think I do need to just stand back a little bit and leave both of them as they are, and then make some decisions. They get in there. They get in there. I can even remember the blue, I can't even remember where it was now, that blue, stormy blue cloud that I really liked, that has gone. I think it was there. It's upside down now. Gone. No, I don't like it that way up. No. No. Possibly. Possibly. It's either going to be that way or no. Oh, that way. Still not sure about this. Spin it right round again. Anyway, I could stay spinning it round all day long. It's not going to help anybody, is it? So, hope you enjoyed the session, and I will be back with maybe continuing, maybe something new next week, we'll see. And thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. Up to over 1,000 subscribers now, so thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now. Au revoir.